Hey, my fellow alchemists, I decided to do something a little different. My dog ate my hat, so don't worry about that. But today's conversation is going to be about like how things have changed a little bit in the tattoo industry and different things have happened. You know what I mean? Like it's kind of an evolving business. But today I wanted to talk about like since I started tattooing, how did we advertise, and then how do we advertise today? Give you guys just like a random idea of what's going on, what's popping, how things have changed. I've been tattooing a while. We're going to put it as a while. So long that my boss used to use Yellow Pages when I had a boss and when I worked for somebody else. And he used to spend like $600 a month on Yellow Page advertisements. I remember because he would tell me all the time about how much he spent on Yellow Page advertisements a month. He had a few shops, so I'm guessing that was split between the four shops, So, $150, $200 a month advertising, trying to get their name out there. So after that, like during that same time, I developed a MySpace. MySpace was like Facebook before Facebook, but you had to be a coder. It's a fucking long time ago. Nobody remembers. But anyways, I used to use that, and you'd reach out, and it was like actual free media where you could actually reach out to your local group of people that was within a certain mileage of your shop, and you could really like individually message people, do whatever. That's what I did. I actually just reached out. Hey, I'm a new tattoo artist in the local area. Here's several examples of my work. Check me out. If you enjoy what I do, hit me up. And that worked out pretty good really early in my career. And I did that for probably 5 or 6 years. It was fucking kicking, maybe even 7 or 8. It was pretty decent. Like Facebook really paid my bills. MySpace. And then we moved into Facebook, and Facebook was kind of the same thing where most of what you shared, all your people seen. And then now they charge you to advertise. So 90% of what I put up, you guys aren't really seeing. If you really want to see all the shit I'm doing, go into my page, look around a little, see if there's some videos and stuff like that you like, share, subscribe, do all that shit. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. But anyways, back to the story. Now, we're at Facebook days, and Facebook has basically shut us the fuck down unless we're playing Pretty Penny. And like $150 of advertisement on Facebook is basically going to the bathroom, wiping your ass real hard, sniffing it real good, and then throwing it away because that's all you're getting is a really shitty smell. But either way, I'm not trying to shit on Facebook's algorithms or anything like that. I know it's a pay-for-play situation. So, now we're at TikTok, and TikTok's around, and now they're at the same fucking thing, where every time you turn around, you have to pay them money for someone to see your video. It kind of really sucks, but that's where we're at. Just to tell you different advertisement strategies and things have changed, is you constantly have to reach out and try to get to new clients and stuff, and part of that is just going out and saying hi, and if you have social anxiety like this motherfucker, you don't want to do that, so you have to use the social media stuff to really get clients. So now I'm on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, everything, just to make that little basis, be there. So, as an advertiser, nowadays, use all your free stuff, and then I actually use stickers, cards, and flyers quite a bit to make money. So that one has been something I've done for 20 years of tattooing, is cards, flyers, and stickers. And that actually works really fucking well. Like, actually better than almost any other way to advertise is get flyers, go to your local businesses, hand them a couple flyers, say, hey, can I please take some of your business cards to put up in my business? I do that every about 6 months. I'll go around to a bunch of different businesses I prefer. I'm going to get you a secret right here. Best for tattoo shops? If you're into doing sports, go to sports bars. Go to sports places that sell sports cards. Go to all your local themed bars for all the teams and stuff. That is great if you're into that. If you're into comics, into Batman, you do a lot of nerd shit. Your boy. I go to comic book stores. I go to conventions. I go to stuff like that, and I try to hand out as much stuff as I can and meet as many people as I can because I realize those are the people interested in the stuff I'm interested in doing. I love nerd art. So, it was really good for a long time, and now nerd art is kind of wrapping up. I'm going back and doing a lot of portraits and stuff like that, which is another one of my specialties and something else I love. But, hit your boy up if you're looking for tattoos. Get your name out there if you're looking to advertise.